Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, child safety locks, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag on/off switch, power windows, auxiliary audio input, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.